Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by writing the quadratic in standard form, y equals x2 plus bx plus c, so the process is precise. Once done, check that it is not 0 because you need a parabola. Next, isolate the x terms by grouping x2 plus bx on one side and keep c separate. Make sure to factor out from those two terms if a not equal to 1. This small move simplifies the algebra. You are now poised to complete the square, which is the only way here. You will complete the square inside the parentheses to reveal the vertex. First, factor so you have a times x2 plus b slash ax, then compute half of b slash a, square it, and add and subtract that value inside the parentheses. Once done, combine the added value with the outside multiplication as a necessary adjustment. Now rewrite the expression as ax plus b slash 2a, 2 minus the adjusted constant. This form makes the vertex You finish by reading the vertex from y equals a, x plus b slash 2a 2 plus k. The x-coordinate is minus b slash 2a and the y-coordinate is k. To get k, simplify the constant left after adjustments or plug x equals minus b slash 2a into the original expression and evaluate. Either gives the same y. If results look wrong, make sure you correctly factored a and handled the sign when adding and subtracting b slash 2a2. Most errors happen there, so double-check those steps.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.